In this video, I'm going to take honors students through the slide 24 metric sort. So this is an extra activity for those of you looking to earn honors credit in the e-notebook. So here I have given you like 14 different values and measurements. And the first thing you need to do is you've got to figure out which is a time, which is a length, which is a mass, and which is a volume. Okay, and then once you figure that out, you're going to sort them from largest to smallest. So the largest value to the smallest value. So let's go ahead and do one example, and then I'll leave the other three for you to do. But I think working through one example will help you to understand what you need to do for the others. So let's go ahead and pick volume. So volume would be liters, or if I saw any cubic units, cubic centimeters, cubic millimeters. So looking through, I see 6 milliliters as a volume. I see 12 cubic centimeters. That would also be a volume. And I also see 0.02 liters. Okay, and looking through, I think those are the three values over here that are volumes. Okay, because the units tell me which category they're going to fall under. Okay, so now I have to be able to compare those. And right now they're not in the same units. So in order to compare these amounts, I have to convert them all to the same unit. Okay, so let's go over on some scratch paper here and take a look at what we have. So we have millimeters, cubic centimeters, and liters. So let's go ahead and just try to convert everything into milliliters. Okay, so I'll leave this one as 6 milliliters, and we're going to convert the other ones into milliliters. Okay, well, cubic centimeters, it is a volume, but I haven't told you in class how cubic centimeters relates to milliliters. And there's actually a very easy relationship. 1 milliliter of a liquid is actually equal to 1 cubic centimeter. So if you had a cube that was 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, okay, its volume would equal 1 cubic centimeter, but it would also equal 1 milliliter, because 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. Okay, knowing that information, it's very easy to convert that then. It's a terrible arrow. There we go. It's easy to convert that into milliliters. We just know if it's in cubic centimeters, it's the same as however much it is in milliliters, okay? Because there's a one-to-one relationship there. Okay, but for liters, it's going to be a little bit trickier. Okay, we could use the conversion chart that I gave you guys, but what I would like you to do as honor students, be able to understand how mathematically you can convert between liters and milliliters. Okay, so if I'm going to do my multiplication here, I want liters to be converted into milliliters. Okay, and I know the relationship. I know milli means 1,000, a thousandth. So there's 1,000 milliliters in every 1 liter. Okay, if I set it up like this, my liters cancel, and then I can multiply across. So I take 0.02 times 1,000 divided by 1. Okay, so multiplying by 1,000, I'm basically moving that decimal place over 3 times. So that would end up being 20 milliliters. Okay, so when I arrange these from largest to smallest, well, this is my largest. Okay, over here, just a star. Okay, and then it's 12, and then it's 6. So I would go back to my e-notebook. Okay, let's go back to the e-notebook. Open my other tab. And then I pull over, okay, so I know this is the largest, so I'm going to click and drag that over. My second largest was at 12 cubic centimeters, because that's actually equal to 12 milliliters, whereas the 0.02 liters is 20 milliliters. And then my smallest was actually that 6 milliliters. Okay, so that's how I would do the volume category for this activity. And I'm going to leave it up to you to do the time, length, and mass columns.